I fill my mind with love stories, the kind you see in Hollywood movies. I thought I was blessed with luck in love and happy endings. But then you laughed. I realized, fuck, this is real life. It's not a movie. So I listened to my intuition, the urge to survive with art in my heart. Well, what would you do? So I followed the stars. I wanted to shine where I shine best. I follow the stars, follow the stars. What else could I do? Anyway, I knew from the start that my nature is wild, and look, what did you do? You knew I can't keep up with your engagement with life. It's too much for my mind. We all should have read Flaubert and learned from Madame Bovary, 'cause look what she did. So I follow the stars and I shine where I shine best. I follow the stars, follow the stars. What else can I do?
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partijih.
Afterparty. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.